Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 2 of the course Developing Soft Skills and Personality. So week 2 consists of in total of 25 number of questions. So we will solve it from question number 1, okay? Question number 1 is Hasna, a freelance writer, enjoys the flexibility of working from home. However, she struggles with setting boundaries between work and personal life. She often finds herself checking work emails late night and on weekends, leading to constant worry and difficulty relaxing. Additionally, Hasna experiences frequent fatigue and has trouble focusing on tasks for extended periods. Considering both Hasna's work style and the signs of stress she is experiencing, choose the actions that would improve her situation. Okay, so we have to choose some actions that are following. So the answer for this question will be uh, option number A, that is create a designated workspace in her home and establish clear work hours to separate work from personal life. Option number B, that is schedule social outings with friends and family on weekends to prevent isolation and promote relaxation. Option number 5, that is download a time management app to track her work hours and identify areas for improvement. And option number 6, that is purchase noise cancelling headphones to block out distractions while working at home. So the answer for the question number 1 will be option number A, B, E and F. ठीक है 1 2 5 6. Question number 2 is Roma loaned her favorite silver anklet, a gift from her grandmother, to her close friend Tanu. When Roma asks for it back to wear for a puja, Tanu reveals she accidentally lost it while traveling. Roma feels hurt and betrayed, unsure how to express her disappointment without jeopardizing the friendship. What should Roma do? So there are some options given below. So the answer for this question will be option number 3, that is Roma can calmly explain the sentimental value of the anklet and ask Tanu to contribute to the cost of a similar replacement. And option number 6, that is Roma could politely convey to Tanu how to be more careful with borrowed items in the future. Okay, so option number 3 and 6 will be the correct answer for question number 2. Question number 3 is pick the comments that are destructive and should not be included in an argument. So the answer for this question number 3 will be option number A, that is I can't believe how stupid your argument is. Option number 4, that is you are not capable of understanding my point. And option number 6, that is why are you so sensitive, you need to toughen up. Okay, so the answer for question number 3 will be 1 4 and 6. Moving to the next question, question number 4. Malavika is from a family of doctors and her parents expect her to follow in her footsteps. Despite her parents' expectations, Malavika wants to pursue her passion and study in art college. Her parents are not happy with her decision and constantly pressure her to switch to a more practical field like medicine. Malavika struggles to balance her love for art with her family's expectations. Which of the following are constructive methods that can be instrumental in convincing her family that she should follow her true passion? Okay, so from the given options, the correct ones are for question number 4, the correct one options are option number A, that is Malavika can explain how art has the power to inspire and communicate important messages and how her unique perspective as an artist will contribute to society in meaningful ways. And the option number 6, that is Malavika can do research and present her family with the numerous career options that a degree in art can lead to, including graphic design, advertising, animation and more. Moving to the next question, that is question number 5. What are some common consequences of unresolved conflict? So the answer for question number 5 are option number A, that is damaged relationships, option number B, that is decreased productivity, option number C, that is an increased level of stress and anxiety, option number D, that is a feeling of resentment or anger, and option number F, that is last one, difficulty in making decisions. Question number 6 is choose individuals who demonstrate a constructive mindset in the following situations. So the answer for question number 6 will be option number A, Anisa's case, option number B, that is Safiq case, option number C, that is Rupa's case, option number D, that is Anirudh case, and option number E, that is Gauri's case. Okay. Adhina's options will not be considered. So the answer for question number 6 will be option number A, B, C, D, and E. Question number 7 is Monisa, a social media influencer with a large following, accidentally posts a controversial message on her platform. The post sparks outrage and backlash from her followers, leading to a significant decline in engagement and potential brand deals. Monisa is devastated by the negative response and feels like she has lost her career. What should Monisa do after this? So the correct answers for this question number 7 will be option number 2. Monisa should post a sincere apology acknowledging her mistake and explaining her intent. And option number 6, that is Manisha should learn from this experience and develop a more responsible approach to social media content. Question number 8 is Nimisa, a social media influencer, and Pritha, her best friend, are currently not talking due to a misunderstanding that occurred between them. The conflict has left Nimisa feeling upset and unsure of how to proceed. Choose the measures that Nimisa can adopt. So the correct answer for question number 8 will be option number 1, that is reach out to Pritha and try to talk to her about the misunderstandings. Option number B, write down her thoughts and feelings in a journal to process the situation. And option number 3, that is seek the help of a neutral third party such as a common friend to mediate the conflict. Okay, so the answer for question number 8 will be option number A, B, and C. Question number 9 is Isan is a quest to become more self-aware. What are some of the steps he can adopt to achieve this? So the answer for question number 9 will be option number A, that is Isan takes a break from social media and other distractions to spend time alone with his thoughts, which helps him gain a deeper understanding of his values and beliefs. Option number B, that is Isan starts a daily mindfulness practice and learns to observe his thoughts and feelings without judgment, which helps him gain a deeper understanding of himself. And option number 4, that is Isan tries a new activity or experience outside of his comfort zone, such as skydiving or attending a poetry slam, which helps him again new perspectives and insights into himself. So for question number 9, the correct options are option number A, B, and D. Moving to the next question number 10, that is others. A passionate gamer frequently loses his temper while playing online video games. He yells at his teammates, blames them for his mistakes, and even throws his controller in frustration. This behavior is affecting his relationships with his online friends and causing him stress. What should others do? So others should have to do option number 1, that is mute his microphone whenever he feels frustrated and remove himself from the portal to avoid lashing out at his teammates. Option number B, that is to break from gaming when he feels his anger rising and engage in calming activities. Option number 5, that is challenge himself to play cooperatively with his teammates instead of focusing on winning. And option number last, that is 6 number option, seek therapy to understand the root cause of his anger and develop healthier coping mechanism. So the answer for question number 10 will be option number 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. Question number 11 is, which among the following options best describes the role of a third party in meditation? So the answer for this question will be option number 6, that is to assist individuals in finding a solution. Okay. Question number 12 is, Pooja, a final year student, is working on her final project. The deadline is approaching fast and she has not made noteworthy progress. She feels overwhelmed and stressed. What should Pooja do first to manage her stress and ensure she meets the deadline? So the answer for question number 12 will be option number C, create a detailed schedule to break down the project into manageable tasks. Okay. So students, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. Like the video and please share it with needy ones. Okay. Question number 13, that is what does Parkinson's law state? So the correct one option will be option number D, that is work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Okay. Question number 14 is, Akash has an upcoming interview for his dream job. He is excited but also feels nervous and stressed. How can Akash best manage his pre-interview jitters and ensure he presents himself confidently? So for question number 14, he should do research the company and position thoroughly to feel prepared. That is option number B. Okay. So for question number 14, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 15 is, when a child is upset, a good first step for a parent is to ignore them, punish them, validate their feelings, offer immediate solutions, change the subject, shout at them. So the answer for this question will be validate their feelings. Okay, that is option number C. For question number 15, option number C, that is validate their feelings, will be the correct answer. Question number 16 is, Manisha's colleague at work is going through a tough time in her personal life and is not performing well on her tasks. Manisha needs to decide how to approach the situation. What should she do? So the answer for this question will be, Manisha should talk to her colleague and offer her help and support. That is option number B. For question number 16, option number B will be the correct answer. Question number 17 is, during a job interview, Veena, a highly qualified candidate, feels nervous and fidgets with her phone throughout the interview. The interviewer interprets this as a lack of interest or preparedness. Despite her strong qualification on paper, Veena does not get a call back for the position. Considering the importance of non-verbal communication in the job interviews, which of the following actions would have improved Veena's chances of success? So the correct answer for question number 17 will be option number B, that is maintain strong eye contact with the interviewer and smile appropriately. Question number 18 is, which among the following is the most crucial factor to consider when choosing a solution to a conflict? Options are fairness to both parties, speed of resolution, public perception, ease of implementation, personal gain, following the interest of the more privileged. So the most appropriate answer for question number 18 will be option number A, that is fairness to both parties. Okay. Question number 19 is, Kalyani, a baking enthusiast in Mumbai, is determined to create the perfect batch of red velvet cupcakes for her friend's birthday. After two attempts, her cupcakes have not turned out as vibrant red as she envisioned, and the frosting texture is a bit grainy. Discouraged, Kalyani considers giving up on the recipe altogether and buying cupcakes from a bakery. Considering the importance of learning from her mistakes, which of the following actions would help Kalyani improve her baking skills and achieve her goal of baking vibrant red velvet cupcakes? So the correct answer for this question will be option number B, that is Kalyani carefully reviews her notes from each attempt, identifying potential errors in ingredient measurements or mixing techniques, and adjusts her approach for the next try. Okay, so for question number 19, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 20 is Rohit and Lakshmi have been dating for a year. Lately, Rohit feels there is a lack of emotional connection in their relationship. He wants to talk to Lakshmi about his concerns, but he is worried about starting an argument. Lakshmi, on the other hand, feels increasingly distinct from Rohit and wonders if their relationship is progressing as it should. Considering the importance of healthy communication in a relationship, which of the following actions would improve Rohit and Lakshmi's connection and understanding of each other's feelings? So for question number 20, the correct option is option number B, that is Rohit schedules a dedicated time to talk to Lakshmi calmly and openly about his feelings of emotional disconnect. Okay, so the answer for question number 20 will be option number B. Moving to the next question, from here question number 21 to 25 all are true and false, so we just have to answer the statement given is true or false. Question number 21 is during a meeting with a client, the marketing team presents their companion strategy. The client expresses concerns about the budget allocation, suggesting a significant shift that the team believes would weaken the companion's effectiveness. The most effective approach for the marketing team at this point is to politely defend their original budget and avoid acknowledging the client concerns. So the given statement is false. Okay. 22 number question is during a negotiation it is always best to maintain a completely rigid stance on your desired outcome, refusing any compromise. So this is again false one. Ambika believes that losing one's sleep to avoid stressful situations in the future is alright, even if it causes her stress right now. Ambika has a healthy approach towards stress management. It is again false statement. Question number 24 is Sarthak believes that when giving feedback to a colleagues, it is most effective to focus solely on their shortcomings and areas for improvement. He can help him. This way, he can help them improve. Sarthak is right in believing that appreciating qualities already possessed is futile. So this is again false one. And the last question is Anil is a lawyer who is consulted by his friends and family for conflict resolution. He tells everyone that conflict resolution should lead to mutual respect between the parties involved. Anil is correct. Yes, Anil is correct. So the statement given is true. Okay. So let's submit it. Uh, so viewers, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for getting upcoming week answers. Thank you.